Welcome to the Starlight Spiritual School Advanced Mediumship Mentorship Part 1 with the focus upon the professional private sitting. It's a 6-week course which is online with me with live Zoom sessions every week, homework and tasks and practice sessions as well. This is a certified and accredited course, so when you complete your 6 weeks you will receive a certificate to say you have become now proficient in delivering private sittings. So what will you learn? In this course you will learn how to deliver a professional sitting, and I teach you how to break it down into 3 parts so that you can make sure that you are covering all the aspects with the evidence, with the spirit communicator. And we would also look at ways that you can prepare yourself, preparing your space, the ethics. We look at challenges that you might come across when you start to connect with the public and deliver professional sittings. So the things that may block the medium, things that may prevent the sitting from flowing, problems with the recipient, how to deal with that. And I've been through pretty much most of the scenarios that we will go through with my own experience, so I'll be sharing that with you. And so much more that will come up, I'm sure, in this course, because even though I always have an agenda, the spirit world also work with the group that I am working with at that time, and sometimes there's different things that need to be brought in for that specific person or that specific group. I do keep my groups quite small, so they're quite intimate, and you'll receive the guidance and the help and assistance that you would expect really from a mentor, especially at this stage. So the entry level requirements are that you've either completed the intermediate part 2 with me, or that you have reached a point in your own mediumship development where you are able to hold a link with the spirit world for a certain amount of time. You're able to get that link and to know when the spirit world are with you, to be aware of the changes in the environment, your calling cards, and to know when you can deliver some evidence as well in your mediumship. So as long as you are feeling that you are connected in that way, then it could be that this is the next step for you to start to learn how to deliver professional private sittings to the public. So if you are interested, there's more information on my website, louisasullivan.com, or you can please email me at the contact page on the website as well.